Alright, let's cut the crap about being nervous around women. Feeling that pressure, overthinking every word, that fear is killing your chances before you even start. Time to ditch the victim mentality and install a new operating system. No games, just reality checks and actionable steps. 1. Demolish the pedestal, frame control. Biggest mistake, seeing her as some perfect goddess. That instantly puts you in the supplicating, low-value position. You start acting like you need her approval, like it's a job interview. Pathetic. Truth bomb, she's human. Flaws, insecurities, bad days, the whole package. She's probably not analyzing your every move nearly as much as your overthinking brain tells you. Tactical shift. Stop seeing her as a prize and start seeing her as an equal human being. Neutralize the pedestal thinking. You're not there to perform or audition, you're there to interact, assess compatibility. That's frame control. Example, see that stunning woman at the gym? Your brain might scream, out of my league. Correct it, human. Probably worries about stuff too. Maybe just finished a tough workout. Give a normal, neutral nod as you walk past. No big production, just equalize the status in your head. 2. Reframe rejection, data acquisition, not failure. Terrified of getting shot down? Grow up. Rejection is part of the game. It's not a reflection of your inherent worth. It's usually about her preferences, her mood, her situation, or simply a lack of connection. Trying to avoid rejection means avoiding opportunity. Tactical shift. Internalize this. Rejection is data, not damnation. It means no connection here, that's all. Confidence isn't never failing. It's not crumbling when you do. Outcome independence. Example, you approach, say something, she gives you a one-word answer and turns away. Your ego might sting. Reframe. Data acquired, not interested, available right now. Smile briefly, maybe a slight nod, turn and move on. 0 drama. Her reaction doesn't define your value. Burn that into your brain. 3. Use micro-interactions. Systematic desensitization. Paralyzed by approach anxiety? Stop trying to go from 0 to hero. Use micro-interactions as tactical warm-ups. De-risk the social muscle building. Tactical shift. Train your brain that simple social contact isn't fatal. Low stakes, high reps. Example. Ask the barista how their day's going, and actually listen for 5 seconds. Make brief eye contact and nod at someone in line. Ask a stranger for the time, even if you know it. These tiny sets build comfort and reduce the pressure of a real approach later. 4. Prioritize presence over performance, value projection. Stop trying to be a dancing monkey, funny guy, charming guy, intellectual guy. It reeks of trying too hard, of performing for validation, fake, exhausting. The real power move, presence and genuine curiosity. Tactical shift. Shift from, how do I impress her, to, who is this person, really? Get out of your head and into the interaction. Ask open-ended questions based on observation or what she just said. Actually listen. Example, at a party, instead of launching into your impressive job story, ask her, interesting crowd tonight. What's your connection to the host? Then listen to her answer. Ask a relevant follow-up. You stand out not by being loud, but by being engaged and genuinely interested. That signals social intelligence. 5. Master state control. Grounding, not faking. Just be confident is useless advice if you're riddled with anxiety. Faking confidence looks awkward and incongruent. She'll sense it instantly. Focus on state control instead. Calm your nervous system. Tactical shift, don't act, be. Ground yourself. Quiet confidence is magnetic. Fake bravado is repulsive. Example, about to approach, heart pounding, pause. Take one slow, deep breath. Feel your feet solid on the ground. Drop your shoulders. Mentally state, I'm here to connect, not to impress. Walk over calm. Deliver a simple opener like, mind if I join you? That steady, grounded energy is far more powerful than any forced confidence. Bottom line, stop being afraid. Stop hiding. Connection comes from presence, not perfection. De-pedestalize women. Handle rejection like data. Use micro interactions to build comfort. Be present and curious, not performative. Control your state through grounding. Show up as the calm, centered version of yourself. That's the game plan. Execute it.